Hi, my name is Tour.CAvila. I will be your professor for the Intro to Marketing. I'm very excited for you to take a tour of my class. Today we will be touring my Intro to Marketing, and here if you go into course sites Blackboard, you will find my Intro to Marketing class, and we will enter the course description. So, welcome to Marketing 101. I welcome you all to my class. The course is designed for you to learn and create new product ideas and test it on marketability. You will learn to create and market financial plans that will provide you for tools to ask for sponsors or investors. And you will create a presentation that can be presented to possible investors. So this is like a real life class. So we will be creating a product or selling an idea that you may have, and that will allow for you to create a marketing plan and a pitch so that you can give it to possible sponsors and investors that may help you out. So here are my instructions, my profile. I went and did my bachelor's online, and I'm currently working on my master's, and I am enjoying teaching online. My course expectations are as follows: written assignments, honesty, plagiarism. You can go ahead and look through this. It's important to notice your instructional materials, that you have a computer, a reliable one, and access to secure internet and email, video messaging. That's going to be very important. And any Microsoft Office or Google Docs that you can possibly be using. That is key to being successful in this class. So it's important that you have that with you. We can go ahead and click out of that. I hope if you have any experience in visual or graphic design, it's a plus, but it isn't necessary for it. So we will be going through this, some basic graphic design and some basic visualizing. So I will be providing some software that is easy to use, hopefully for you, and it'll get you through this class. It's important that you speak with your peers and you have engagement in discussions, and it's important for you to share your ideas, as it is a marketing class. So here in Module 1, you can see that there is a discussion board and exploring product ideas. I hope this is helpful for you in the sense that obviously marketing has changed in the last few years, in the last couple of decades, and now we have more of a online social media has become such an important part. So it's really important that you share your ideas with everyone and with myself, so that we can share ideas and share thoughts and be able to be successful in this market. I am looking forward to meeting and getting to know all of you on my online class, and I can't wait to all get to know you and start this class. Thank you so much.